With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. An electron collides with a hydrogen atom in its ground state and excites to n equals to 3. The energy gives to the hydrogen atom in this collision is. So if you see here, the electron collide here with the hydrogen atom and the electron was in ground state and it excites to this stage. So how much energy it will need? So we know that if I talk about the energy in various principal quantum number, so here it is minus 13.6, here it will be by 2 square and here it will be by 3 square. If you see in the nth cell, it will be 13.6 by n square minus 1. So here it is said it is 3. So this is the third cell and you can see the energy in it, right? So how much energy given to the electron to jump from first to third cell, right? From here to here. So if you see, you can already see the energy difference, right? If I write down the energy del E is equals to final minus initial. So finally it is having this much energy, right? Minus minus it will become plus, so it is this. So you can write down this is 13.6 into 8 by 9 and it will be equals to 12.1 electron volt, and this is the answer of this question. Now you can check for the option 12.1 electron volt. B is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.